sabi niya.
To every single person in this room and declare that not one of us will get hurt in this storm. In Jesus' name.
It was spared. The bad news, my mother thought she had something to do with it. Looks like your house is okay.
You're
Ayan
just
na.
worried I
Look,
might have to come live with you.
Cedric.
Nothing to worry, look, of course.
Look mo yung tower. May light na.
Oh, that's where. That's where you want to go to.
Terrified.
Better go check on it. I'll come with you.
Be careful, Mom. Yeah, baby?
You would not believe the pee I just took.
Morning, Missy. Morning, Sheldon.
Morning. Morning, Mary. Mom, you didn't sign this consent form.
What's it for? I am not going to church on Mother's Day.
Come on, it's just a few hours.
But it's my special day.
Then stay here and celebrate with your mom.
But it's my special day. You're really not spending Mother's Day with me?
We want to, but it's complicated.
Your reign is over. Deal with it.
You still got Connor? You're around, right?
See? You get to spend the day with your favorite kid.
I don't have favorites.
Oh, just stop. Everybody knows.
I'll make it special for you, Mom. Flowers, candy, breakfast in bed,
I want to meet that girl you're seeing.
chocolate. I know you love chocolate.
Come on, your father's met her, Georgie's met her. This is the only thing I'm asking for.
Fine, I'll bring her.
Are you sure about that? No backseas. I'm surprised Chloe isn't spending Mother's Day with her mother.
Maybe your mom doesn't live here.
Or maybe they're estranged and don't speak. I'll get to the bottom of it. We have to be there for Connor. What about Mama? Here's the worst idea I've ever had. Bring her here. Think about it. My mom has to be on her best behavior for Chloe, right? So she can't be mean to your mom.
True. Plus, if we call it brunch, everyone will be happy. Because ladies love brunch. Hello? Hey, Mom.
I was thinking about Sunday.
I had a fun thought. Well, as long as I get to spend the day with you and Cece, anything is fine. Terrific. How about we all get together at the McAllisters? You want me to spend my Mother's Day with your mother-in-law? Just brunch. I do like brunch. Mr. McAllister, can I talk to you about something?
What's up?
I invited my mom to Mother's Day brunch with Mrs. McAllister.
Really?
Connor wants us to be there for him and Chloe, and this is the only way to make everyone happy.
Nakakantok ka din.
Be happy.
So, I was thinking, maybe it would be more special if I spent Mother's Day with you. Really? Yeah, and Cece can spend it with her grandma. Oh, I would love that. Her other grandma. Look, I know it's not what you were hoping for, but she really wants to come. Or she does. And her Mother's Day gift for her that will ruin mine. Oh, okay, come on, maybe this is a chance for the two of you to make up. I'm finally meeting Connor's girlfriend. I don't want Mary embarrassing me. I totally see it. Fine, she can be heard. But for the record, I am making a big sacrifice. Let you suffer in silence. That's what counts.
To the moms.
So, how'd the two of you meet? I work at a music store and... Excuse me, I'd like to hear the story. I work at a music store and Connor was a customer.
So are you from the area?
I just sort of ended up here. I was in a band with my boyfriend at the time. And yeah, switch with me. Mother's Day. So I woke up and he was gone, along with the band and our instruments, and here I am. Wait, what happened?
Sisi ka na?
Band with her boyfriend and told her to stop making
Ganun.
I'll
Ganun lang siya
I
kasama.
can't imagine a boy ditching you.
Thanks. Lovely too. Connor,
You're
switch
going
with me.
down the river. May maulog ka.
Oh, chill out. I am chill. I am just trying to talk to Chloe, and some people are not giving me a chance. Just being friendly. I know what you're doing.
You do, huh?
You are trying to embarrass me in front of my son's girlfriend.
How? By showing her what normal looks like? All right, everyone needs to settle down. This is Mother's Day and you're three most
Ba't yun wala naman?
That was fine.
Mga ba sa zoo? Mga stasyon.
Wait, what happened? Oh, she was in a band with her boyfriend and told her to stop. Thanks. Lovely too. Connor, switch with me.
No, thank you.
Mom, chill out. I am chill. I am just trying to talk to Chloe, and some people are not giving me a chance. I'm just being friendly.
most important mothers in my life. Mother's fights tear me apart.
Pakunik ka dito, Mark.
Logan na.
Ba't nga ako?
Ay.
Hindi na nalakas lang yan.
I am not going to church on Mother's Day. It's my special day.
And so you're celebrating with your mom.
It's my special day. You're really not spending Mother's Day with me?
Wait, what?
Ay, nasa isang oras na rin tayo dito, no?
Your reign is over.
Mas ba kaya dito?
Still got
Hindi kami sa ticket.
Just call everybody else. I'll make it special for you, Mom. Flowers, candy, breakfast in bed.
I want to eat my girl this week.
Chocolate, I got chocolate.
Come on, your father's better, Georgie's better.
Wala na lakas lang lang papunta dito.
Nakuha. Ano nga ginagawa?
I'm surprised Kelly isn't sending Mother's Day with her. Or maybe they're estranged and don't speak. I'll get to the bottom of it. We have to do that for honor. What about Rumble? Here's the worst idea I've ever had. Bring her here. Think about it. My mom has to get her best behavior from Chloe, right? She keep me to your mom.
Plus, we're calling Roger. We had this lady's on brunch. Hello? Hey, Mom.
I was thinking about Sunday.
I had a fun golf. Well,
Balik daw na, balik na.
if I get to spend the day with you and Cece, anything is fine. Terrific. How about we all get together at the McCalls? You want me to spend my Mother's Day with your mother-in-law? Just brunch. I do like brunch.
So, McAllister, can I talk to you about something? So, I invited my mom to Mother's Day brunch at Mrs. McAllister. Really? Carter wants us to be there for him and Chloe. This is the only way to make everyone happy. Happy.
So, I was thinking, maybe it would be more special in this than Mother's Day. Yeah, Cece can spend it with her grandma. Oh, I would love that. Other grandma. You know what's not like Mom before? She really wants to come. She does. Her Mother's Day gift for her. Really. Okay, come on, maybe this is a chance for the two of you to make up. I'm finally meeting Connor's girlfriend. I don't want Mary embarrassing me. I totally see it. Fine, she can come. But for the record, I'm making a big sacrifice. There's somewhere inside of me that's what counts.
To the mall.
Cheers. So, how did you meet? I work at a music store. Excuse me, I'd like to get this to me.
I work at a music store and Connor was a customer. So are you from the area? I just sort of ended up here. I was in a band with my boyfriend at the time. And we were touring.
Yeah, sweet treat.
Honey.
Mother's Day. Move.
So I woke up and he was gone, along with the band and our instruments, and here I am.
Wait, what happened? Oh, she was in a band with her boyfriend. He took all her stuff and he
Daming
ditched her.
bata.
To hear it, I'm Chloe.
Oh, you're so lovely. I can't imagine a boy ditching you. Thanks. You're lovely too.
Connor, sweet treat me.
No, thank you.
Whoa, chill out.
Kalabit
I
ka
am
lang.
chill. I am just trying to talk to Chloe and people are not giving me a chance. They're just being friendly. Oh, I know what you're doing.
You do, huh?
You are trying to embarrass me in front of my son's girlfriend.
Hell, I sure know what normal looks like. All right, everyone needs to settle down. This is Mother's Day. I guard the three most important mothers in my life. Mother's fights tear me apart.
Stay out of it.
O, tatangan ako.
Ayan. Masali ka. Ganda o. Ang dami ilaw.
Paano yung tutorial yung nagpa-flashbang?
Plus bang?
Hindi. No. Ang ganon. Ah, ganon.
Hindi mo mapipicture na maayos sa pag-vlog.
Ano saan? Tapos bukong kayo. One, two, three. Ay. Napablush ba? Ganon. California, California. May pupunta pa tayo dyan, Taipei?
Sa Taipei ka na.
Oo, doon na lang ako sa hotel.
Along the way lang yun, sa station lang.
Oo, doon na lang ako sa hotel.
Diyan na rin tayo kakain.
No.
Yes. Maganda yung gano'n sa gabi. Mas matala pag dito na may
Ngayon, maganda o yung ano mo.
ano sa dito?
At, parang walang katawa-tawa dito, ano?
Kala natin yung ilaw. Mamaya ko na.
Ganun ka nga, mami. Ganun ka na. Diyan ka ka. Ah, sige. Diyan kita. Picturean kita. Bye.
Kakasilaw naman yun, Cedric.
Wait.
Ito na ba yung mataas? Yeah, ito na yung mataas.
O, tinan mo. Di ba labo na?
Hindi. Naku.
Labo?
Hindi naman.
Ayan, saan?
Gusto mo ba mag-picture? Ah, na.
Akin yung ano mo.
Sa'yo.
Sa'yo.
Ito maganda yung video mo.
Sino mo dito mo lang?
May camera.
Ano pala?
Oh.
Motot na naman ako.
Ano nangyayari sa'yo? Nadigdong ka, hindi magiging bahala. Kulit!
Baba, oo nga, no? Tama ka, mami.
Hindi magiging
Bigat pa naman silang dalawa, tapos dadagdagan mo pa.
Hindi magbahala.
Sinabi pa lang. Good day. May time na. Tulog na ako.
Ay, no, 6:47.
Six.
Malapit na ka dito.
Malapit na, oh. Malapit na.
Ay, nabitaw pala dito.
Isa?
Yeah, dalawa sila.
Fish.
Dala yung tao.
Nakalabas ka na ba ng gabi, ma? Hindi pa.
Hindi pa.
Ako, di pa.
Doon tayo, pupunta tayo sa
Oh.
Taiwan. Last day na natin today.
Dulo. Parang aalis na tayo. Pagbukas pa nga tayo aalis.
Ay, bukas magdito na tayo sa malapit doon.
Sis, yeah.
Pupunta,
Kaya kung gusto yung gabi pumunta dyan, okay. No choice tayo. Pero kung umaga, pwede na bukas.
Oo. Maganda lang.
Kung maganda naman ang gabi.
Ayan no? Sana. Ayan, may ilaw. Pero hindi na ata maka-aakyat sa taas.
Oo nga eh.
Di bukas na lang.
Bukas na lang.
Which is may bayad ng wala. Search, baka mamaya close. Yun pa naman gusto ko din puntahan. Yung
Search
taas.
mo. Search mo ngayon. Baka close. Bukas.
Mamaya pagbaba natin dito. I think hindi naman nagka-closean kasi mall yan eh.
Wey, mall ba
Yeah,
yan?
that's mall.
Baka may puma
Mall
dyan.
yan pero ano, yung taas niya, observer. Ano yun?
Parang bote ng ano eh. Alak.
Pero hindi ko alam kung nagpapaakyat pa sila ng sa taas. Yun lang, hindi ko alam.
Papakyat yan.
Kaya ano makikita mo view dyan?
Hindi lahat.
Maganda lang picture sa labas kasi may ilaw. Tapos bukas. Ano ba pag... Ano?
Lahat yan eh. Makikita mo lahat yan eh. Malayo na pala tayo kanina.
Diyan na tayo na. Oh, wala pa ata.
Doon tayo na.
Para pag pabalik, mabilis.
2 station na lang. Bukas na lang tayo.
Kanina papunta pa lang, parang gusto ko ng buhay.
Ha?
Kanina.
Yun na ba yun?
Hindi pas. 2 pa. 2 station.
Binidyo ko na yung buong pabalik para malating kung mga oras tayo nandito.
Yung pag ganun pa lang natin. Dito na yung pag ganun pa lang natin. Ano to may lamok?
Siyempre may lamok talaga dito.
Baka prag yun. Na poison.
Ito na yung ano yun. Ito na yung
Station yun.
ng zoo.
Wala na.
Yung pangalawang zoo.
Patulog lang kami. Out na ako.
Meron pa bang gano'n? Gabi na?
Ha?
Wala nang gaganon kasi gabi.
Meron kaninang lalaki kanina nakita ko.
Pag sa bundok pa ang gabi, pagabi. Wala na makita.
Oh, sabi ko na meron.
Sabi ka, anak yan.
Hindi na pala kung ito tumunog. Ganyan mo.
Wala na makita. Oh. Tulugin na dito pag gabi.
Tapos sa tayo doon sa pinakamataas. Yung gumaganon sa tenga.
Tapos na.
Kanina po.
Hindi ba ito yun?
Hindi na kanina. Bago natin makita yung city.
Uwi na tayo bukas.
Ang bote ng alak yung ano yun.
Ay, nasa Walang makita. Parang muna ako. Utot na naman ako.
Dito ba tayo ba?
Hindi pa, malay pa.
Utot na naman ako. Lang ah.
Wala pa naman singawan dito.
Ah, meron oh, naka-open. Wow. Utot ako.
YouTube mo na, may singawan.
Oo, tapos si Lola.
Ayan, oh.
Tapos si Lola na magbabaw. Si Lola na magbabaw ng wala.
Wala na ako.
Malakasan.
Mas malakas sa akin.
Oo. Malakasan ang utot. Doon sa amin, hindi nag-aamin eh. Yung nag-uutot.
Ako iba. Sinong motor, bigyan ka 10 piso. Kasi sasabihin nila hindi sila. May pera na kanya nila. Amin ako.
Hindi ako
Ah,
umutot
dito,
sa ano. Umutot lang ako sa kaibigan ko.
Nakita naman natin kanina maaga eh.
Pag nakita mo, natatakot ka. Ay, hindi mo na nakita eh.
Ayun.
Parang siyang alak eh, no?
Yung black.
May laman
Black
eh.
Daniel.
Ito
Daniel Jack.
nakakatama.
Jack Daniel pala.
Daniel.
Black Daniel.
Daniel.
Black Daniel.
Jack Daniel tapos. Ano yun? Jack Daniel?
Jack Daniel. Ano ba yun?
Daniel Jack? Ano yan?
Black Dane.
Jack Dane?
Daniel.
Ah, Jack Daniel.
Daniel nga ni.
Daniel. Jack Daniel. Ano yun? Bird.
Sumakit na ulo ko dito.
Ano pag-araw, sakit ulo mo? Eh, gabi wala ka na makita dyan, ang sakit ulo mo. Hanggang malulula. Tumingin ka lang sa langit.
Uy.
Nagtatawag ka ng ano dyan, bahala ka. Maraming ano dyan.
Napasok ko na yung insekto.
Maraming naka...
Rico!
Pag dumadaan ka sa mga bundok, pag kang maingay, tatabi po ka nga dapat eh. Nakikiraan ka sa teritoryo nila.
Mga ano?
Teritoryo nila yan at dinadaanan natin.
Mga birds?
Nga oras yung train.
12 a.m.
Bloody knuckles. Uy na. Bukas na lang, mami.
Oh my God.
Pagod na ako eh. Pagod na din si Tito Mark.
Di pa pagod eh.
Mark, pagod ka na?
Hindi pa.
Bakit
Kukumari.
dinadamay mo siya?
Kukumari lang yan. Takot sa'yo yan. No, takot ka.
Ano ba tayo?
Pwede maglaro na sa akin.
Ay, nabitin ako.
Ako din. Sakit!
Isang oras lang naman yata, 30 minutes papunta doon sa pabalik.
I think so.
Naka 25 minutes pa lang tayo. Ano yung insekto?
Wala man lang ilaw yung cable, ano nila.
Wala nga eh.
Dapat may ilaw para maganda pag nasa loob.
Tapos din.
Sasakay pa rin. Kahit gabi.
26 minutes.
Mga madali, di ba nga bukas? Ang kapit yan. Border ka.
Sheshe. Eh, baka may naiwanan kayo dun, ha?
Sorry, may naiwan ka?
Ano?
Let's go.
Tapos din.